This red quick weave turned out better than I thought with this beauty supply hair. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I installed this hair. Stay tuned for more. I wanted to show this part specifically of where I was lining up the tracks with my head and where I accidentally left on too much hair. So I cut off some of the tracks just to show that mistakes do happen, and this is how you can correct the mistake. But you really need to fill your head when laying the tracks. This part is super easy and super quick to do. This hair color is super beautiful and bright. I'm just so surprised of how it came out the pack. It was very minimal shedding. I mean, it's beauty supply hair, shoot, but so this part is extremely important. This is how I closed off the top. So you want to really pay attention to how I close off the top. Okay, so this is the hair fully installed, no curls. I actually did like it straight. It wasn't too bad. So this is where I show how I curled the majority of the hair, which was very basic. I just rolled under, released, and then pinned it so the heat can stick to it. And this is where I recurled the front of my hair so that I can have that waterfall look. I did cut the hair a little, but nothing too dramatic. I cut it just to get a little bit of layers, and that's pretty much it. So you guys tell me what looks I should do best. I'm not best. Oh my God, I'm messing up. What I should do next. So that I can achieve those and see what I can do, see what I can come up with. But this look was super easy and quick to do, not that difficult. You didn't really have to braid, just lay your hair down, place the cap on, and then glue those wigs, wefts on, and then boom, you got a half wig done, pretty much like a half wig glued on, quick weave. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Comment down below, and anything I've used I will link down in the description area. All right.